Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwajoba. If it's your first time here, welcome. Please subscribe, join the family, like this video if you end up enjoying it, and share. All right, so hello, good morning. Welcome to today's vlog. So today is Friday. I have a job this morning. Me and my stomach, we have a job. Yeah, I have a job this morning. I'll be working on the set of a music video. This is the first time I'm actually working on the set of a music video, and I'm quite excited, and I thought to bring you guys along. I've worked on a show set before back in Nigeria, and yeah, a couple of others, but I've never done a music video before. So yeah, I'm quite excited to see what this one brings along for me and for the brand in general. So yeah, I just thought to bring you guys along, come see how I work, or how I'll be working on set today. And yeah, and after that I have a couple of stops as well to make. Yeah, so I will catch you guys. I'll catch you guys. Yeah, let's go.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season. I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I'm lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Hi. Hi, I'm JB. Hi, JB. Nice to meet you. Yeah, where the setup? And this is David. David, come and show for my YouTube. Director D.
I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Alright guys, yeah, so I just finished with the first model and the artist, and I'm waiting for the second model. She's not here. Yeah, well, it's been good. A bit tired. You guys know, like I told you, that I try to catch my breath a lot more now. Yeah, and my waist is banging. My waist is paining me, but we've got this. We'll do this. Usually, even before pregnancy, when I walk for like a long time, I have a bit of waist pain, but now with pregnancy is like doubled. But you know, we've got this. We're gonna do this. We have to slay this. But yeah, it's been interesting so far. I'll just wait for my last model and then see how the shoot is gonna go. I've also tried to put up some clips, yeah, so that you guys can see that. And yeah.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life.
Yeah, my last model for the day. Oh, this is so beautiful, guys.
All right, action.
So we're headed to Bauhaus now. So Bauhaus is like a home goods store, that kind of thing. You can get almost anything there. So we are headed there as well to pick up. I want to buy like some picture frames, which is for the nursery. So I've started deciding on the kind of idea that I want for the nursery. Hopefully it pans out really well. So one of the things that I need are what's it called, picture frames. I want to get 3 of them. I also want to get batteries and some other stuff. So yeah.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am, I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry,
Hi guys, so it's another beautiful day. It's the next day. Yesterday was so much fun. Yeah, and it was a beautiful experience. That was the first time I was ever going to work on a music shoot, and it was an amazing experience. I absolutely enjoyed it, and I'm majorly grateful that we were given the brief, we understood the assignment, and we delivered as usual. The director was happy, the models were happy, the stylist was happy. I was just happy that everything came together just like they pictured it. Even the artist himself was really happy. So yeah, that's about it. What happened yesterday? We go from there, we went to the post office. I went to pick up some stuff. I'll show you some of the stuff that I picked up, guys. They're so beautiful. Yeah, I bought them and picked them up yesterday from the post office. And then they gave us food at the set. But the food was so nice. But unfortunately, because I brought mine home to eat, because I didn't want to eat there, I wanted to take my time and eat. I didn't want to rush it, and we're already rushing out. But I got home, ate the food. I really enjoyed it. But unfortunately, I woke up around 2 and I just had the worst experience. Guys, I was vomiting. Like, it was so bad. I was just telling my husband this morning that it was such a bad experience. I didn't like it at all. So anyway, breakfast is here. Yeah, we ordered breakfast. So anyway, but yeah, I feel a lot better this morning. I was able to sleep later in the morning, but I woke up this morning feeling a lot better, just tired. I tried taking a liter of water this morning as well, and at the moment I feel a lot better. But yeah, today is a chill day. I want to try to edit some videos, put out some videos as well. And yeah, that's about it. But let me show you guys what I got from the post office yesterday. So yeah, this is the room that we'll be using for the baby's nursery. Guys, this room is an absolute mess. Even me, I am too shy to show you what it looks like. Absolute mess. I've just been dumping things in this room. But yeah, let me show you some of the things I got for the post office yesterday. I got this what's it called, I won't call it a bean bag, but for his what's it called, dirty clothes. So like a laundry bag. I'm going to show you, but this is what it looks like. I just unwrapped everything this morning, but I'm going to show you. You're going to see where I placed and everything in the final review. But yeah, that's one of the things I got. And then yeah, I also got this beautiful frame. Not the frame, like the stuff inside. It says, sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart. Yeah, so I got 3 of this. I'm going to be showing you guys later as well. But yeah, so yesterday we also went to our bar house finally, because last time we went, I showed you guys, I forgot the card that we have, so we couldn't buy the stuff that we wanted to buy that day. So we went back yesterday and I was able to get the frame. Yeah, but I'll show you guys in, there's another video that will come up showing you everything that I got for the nursery and for the baby and stuff. But yeah, I was so excited with these frames. They're so beautiful. I also got some things for my photo shoot. Yeah, this is like a neck thing and a hand thing. By the time I'm putting up this video, editing this video, I should have shot the picture. So I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to leave it on the screen and show you how I ended up styling this. But yeah, so many beautiful things came and I was so happy. Like the way I pictured them were the way they turned out. So that's and some of these things, guys, I got it from AliExpress. So, but in another video I'll give you the link and every details that you guys will need. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to me if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Jesus loves you. Bye.